So here I am whizzing around my local Asian Chinese supermarket, picking up some wonderful stuff. We're going to make some nice, quick, easy stuff in the wok. Let's get moving. Okay, let's get these clams happening. So in this wok here, I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, getting that nice and hot. To that, I'm going to add some star anise whole, about 3 or 4. Then we're going to go for some nice sliced, thick sliced actually, ginger, some garlic, and about half a cup of onion. What we're going to do is throw them around in this hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to be adding some salt and pepper. You can use black pepper like I am, or white pepper. That's entirely up to you. Fresh red chilies I'm using here. The amount you use is entirely up to you. I've kept the seeds in my one. I've just slit them down the middle. But yeah, nice to give it a nice kick. I'm now going to add 1 cup of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, going to get them in the mix. They're going to kind of act as a little bit of a sauce for this. And then the clams. Now the clams that you use, there are many, of course, different types of clams, but the clams I'm using here are quite large, white ones. They're going to go in, we're going to spin them around again in the hot pan for 4 to 5 minutes until they open out nicely, and they're going to be done really beautiful. So off goes the heat. I'm just going to finish this off with some green onions in the mix. Excuse all the steam, the camera's right above this wok here. But that's it, job done. Super easy and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.